greetings, it's me again, Yuli, and welcome to my channel. And again, to those who are new to my channel, welcome. So today, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the process on how I make my YouTube videos. And before I get started, please follow my Instagram, Eulz Famil Logbook. So making my YouTube videos consists really of planning, filming, editing, making thumbnail, and then upload it to YouTube videos. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I plan my YouTube videos, how I edit, how I film my YouTube videos, and if possible also I'm gonna include how I edit my thumbnail using my phone. And let's get started. So my schedule in uploading my YouTube videos is usually on Friday and Monday, and on Tuesdays until Thursdays I plan everything out. I check my journal on what video to film on those days, and also make script. Yes, I make script for my videos. I usually write it on my email and save it as draft. Also, I include on my script on where I need to film while saying those lines, or what should I include while saying those lines. And also, I make it sure that I make 2 videos on those days. I tried making 3 or 4, but I really can't make it. It really depends on how awake or alive I am after the shift. If I can make 3 or 4 videos, but these days I only succeeded on making 2 videos. That is the first thing that I do. I plan and I make script. So you might notice that I usually do filming on our living room or home office. It really depends on the script that I make. If I wanted to film those lines on my home office or on our living room, it also depends on the weather. I don't have that lighting material, so I really depends on the light in my room or natural light. If it's gloomy outside and if it's like the lighting is not that good, I sometimes choose to take videos on my home office. It would also take me a lot of shots because I really stutter, or I forgot my script, or I forgot how should I convey it to you guys. Sometimes it would take me 2 hours to film 1 video. That's crazy, but so I have to do my best. Filming also, you should turn on the grid on your camera settings. It's where your camera was divided into 3 sections, and you have to make sure that you are in that in the crossing line of the upper camera of your grid.
There is also a few changes that you need to change on the settings of your camera. All you have to do is go to the settings and choose camera. You will see there numbers, and what I really want you to choose is the 1080p at 60 fps. This is to make the quality of your video way smoother. If you want a cinematic or film style quality video, you can choose the 4K at 24 fps. But it would eat a lot of space in your phone. If you want to save space in your phone, you can choose the 720p HD at 30 fps. That's the few changes that you need to make in your camera settings to get a good quality video.
So when editing my videos, I usually use the iMovie. It's a free feature of the iPhone. If I wanted to add a cute icon or a cute emoticon to my videos, I always use the KINEMASTer app. It's a free app after 1 week you have to pay monthly. I don't really do much in editing my videos. I just have to make sure that I have a really good quality videos. I don't add crazy transitions in my video. I just add pictures, playing another video on my video. After I added my videos to KINEMASTER, I usually, before I snip or trim the videos, I first need to up the volume, and then I have to watch each scene that I film and add some lines here and there. And then if I wanted to add sound effect, I usually add the laughing sound effect, add text scene with a title on it for a few seconds, and also like putting music in the background of my video, and I just have to volume it down. In color correction, a really good quality video really matters. If you color correct a not that good quality video, it's really very challenging. So make sure you add some few changes on the settings of your camera. You clean your lens. So what I really like is putting my hair down. If I really wanted to do a ponytail, my face is kinda big for the screen. So I just wanted to let my hair down and put a little bit of mascara or a concealer on my breakouts there, here and there, and put on a little bit of lipstick. I don't really like getting screenshots on my video. What I really like is take shots like this. In my thumbnail, I decided to just make another video on how I make my thumbnail, not using my phone, but using my personal computer. Just found it really hard navigating the app using my phone, and the app that I use here on editing my thumbnail using my phone is the CANVA app. I don't know if they have a free app on Android, but on iOS they have a free app. That's what I use. And then I don't want to really show you guys how painful it was to edit the thumbnail using my phone with the little screen of my phone. So I find it really challenging. So I'm just gonna make another video showing you guys how I edited my thumbnail. So that's the process of how I make my YouTube videos, for the filming, the editing, the uploading, making thumbnails. That's how I do it. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in the next video.